Dustin, di ba kaya nabigyan ka rin ng point last time is because parang gusto mo na mag-give up?
Ikaw ba, Shubi? Did you ever want to go home?
I never want to.
Not even once. Not even once you had that mentality. Sa tingin mo, mas deserving ka kaysa kay Shubi?
Okay. Naiintindihan ko ito. Hindi deserving sa inyo, hindi. And that's okay. I mean, for me, the fact na nandito ako ngayon, kung sino man ako, kung yung boses ko ay mahina o malakas, the fact na nandito ako ngayon sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, deserving ako. Deserving kami.
I kinda disagree yung sa kami kasi si Bianca, sa mga tasks natin, parang medyo pumapalya.
Kailan ba siya naging gusto sa task, bro? Kasi tayo, bro, medyo gusto na tayo.
Yung Shukla, magaling
yung
sa
Shukla,
task.
okay din. Kailan mo okay din? Ano, like, why are you more deserving than us?
Wala naman akong sinasabi na mas deserving ako sa inyo. In fact, there was a time wherein I really felt like nung umalis si Shuvi and Ate Klang, umiiyak ako sa kanila, Dustin and the remaining housemates. Sabi ko, feeling ko hindi ko talaga, di namin deserve to because sa tasks and in every challenge, feeling ko hindi naman talaga ako pinakamagaling eh. Kailan ba ako nag-number 1? Never din. So, kung usapang tasks and challenges, yes, I agree. Nagkaroon ako ng pagkukulang. Nung simula, I wasn't the best. Pero wala kayo dito nung nag-improve ako. You weren't here. Naniniwala ako na gumaling ako. I did my best. Mas nagkaroon ako ng drive. Mas naging focused ako. And I'm sorry na hindi ngayon nakita.
Bianca, parang hindi kita nakitang nagluluto sa bahay. You don't even do the chores. Is it because rich kid ka? So bakit lagi si Ate Klang yung nagluluto? Never ka man lang nag-usa na, ate, ako na to.
Actually, simple na naman yung sagot ko dyan eh. I really didn't want to overstep. Yes, I can do that. Kaya kong magluto kahit paglutuan ko kayo buong araw. But I won't do that kasi alam kong gustong-gusto yung gawin ni Ate Klang. So, ipaparaya ko yun sa kanya. At hello, let's be real. Almost lahat kami na natitira dito marunong sa kusina. Pero pinapaubayan namin yun sa kanya because we know how much she loves to see us eat what she cooks. So, yun lang yun.
Sa Big Four, hinahangaan niyo ng mga tao, di ba? Role model.
Yeah.
So, alam ko sinabi nyo na marami kayong pinagdaanan. Pero ano yung makukuha namin doon? What can we learn from that?
We're gonna look up to you guys. People are looking up to you. And we're talking about relationship lang. Hindi naman to dating show eh. Kumbaga, the essence of the collab. There's something like Shukla. Shukla has something that can prove to the people they're fighting for their dreams. What's your dreams ba as a couple?
As a duo.
Apart from you fixing your problems, being closer, hindi na nag-push and pull.
You know what? And alam niyo, and so if it is, what if we find strength within each other? Mali ba yun?
Winner na ba yan? Okay na kayo dyan? Kasi parang honestly, kanina ba kami nandito, inaantog namin kasi wala kayong drive. We get it, you guys are the couple of the century. But where's your drive that you deserve it more than my duo and I? More than Shukla? Where? Why do you want to win?
Kahit paulit-ulit tayo dito, I don't see this as a competition.
So you don't want to win? Yes or no?
Bro,
you don't want to win?
Hindi ko na kontrolado yun.
Do you want to win?
Do you want to win?
You want to win?
Yes, for sure.
Let's say it, you want to win?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Bianca, do you want to win?
Oo.
Next question, what makes you a winner?
Ako, simula pa lang dito, ang unang-una ko talagang pinaglaban yung sarili ko, yung pangarap ko. Sabi ko nga kanina kay Dustin, yung labanan dito, it's really not about who's the best or who's rank 1. It's pangarap, laban sa pangarap, literally. Ako, I may not be number 1 all the time, but it is a competition. It's a reality competition. And the fact that I'm here showing my 100% self, alam ko sa sarili ko, nagpakatotoo ako. At dyan pa lang alam kong panalo ako because I've been real from the very start. Never ako naging plastic, never ako naging showbiz. I don't think so.
Hanggang sa oras na para magbigay sila ng mensahe para sa mga duo challengers.
So happy seeing all of you. Kakasama tayo lahat sa journey na to. Super miss na miss ko na kayo and see you all guys outside. Yun lang.
Honestly, miss na miss ko na rin kayong lahat. Alam kong hindi kayo yan. That's probably just the outside world projected through your bodies. Hindi ganyan yung pagkakakilala namin sa inyo. So, I guess that's why okay ako, kilala niyo ako, iyakin ako, pero proud ako na hindi ako umiyak ngayon kasi hindi kayo yan. And gusto ko lang sabihin naman na mahal ko kayong lahat. And always take care.
Love you guys.
Sobrang chill lang po nila, kuya. Actually, silang dalawa eh. Lalo na si Dustin. Hindi namin masyado nabasag yung pagka-chill niya. But syempre, nakaka-proud din kay Dustin yun na makita yung this time. Andun na yung drive, kuya.
Galing mo
With their answers, kuya, they were honest. We've seen how much they want this.